Cooking is a life-sustaining act, a way to nourish and to show love. But in developing countries, solid fuels like wood and coal are often used in traditional stoves for cooking. And for 3 billion people, it can cause respiratory illnesses, heart problems, and even death. Women and children are the most affected, since women do most of the cooking with their children nearby. The estimated welfare losses are $1.5 trillion each year. And many young children miss school because they're helping their mothers collect firewood for cooking. About 1/3 of wood fuels is harvested unsustainably, contributing to climate change and desertification. Greenhouse gas emissions from non-renewable wood fuels for cooking amount to a gigaton of carbon dioxide per year. If current trends continue, 2.2 billion people will not have access to modern energy cooking services by 2030, jeopardizing the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 7 and progress across other Sustainable Development Goals. Cooking with traditional stoves and solid fuels is not a new problem, but it's one that's often overlooked. However, it cannot be overlooked any longer. Clean cooking must be a political, economic, and environmental priority, supported by policies, investments, and multi-sector partnerships. To make that kind of change, the level of commitment and the scale of investment matter. That's why the World Bank's Energy Sector Management Assistance Program is establishing a $500 million Clean Cooking Fund. It will support and complement the high-level coalition of leaders for clean cooking under the Health and Energy Platform of Action and catalyze billions in public and private investments. The Clean Cooking Fund will co-finance investment projects in countries where large populations still cook with traditional solid fuels. And it will provide clean cooking solutions that people want and need, ensuring that they will be truly adopted. Using results-based financing, the Clean Cooking Fund will also help establish an impact bond market to monetize the health, gender, and climate impacts of projects which can attract additional funding for the clean cooking sector. It's time to scale up public and private investments to deliver clean cooking solutions in every household. For women's empowerment, happier, healthier families, a cleaner environment, and a better world.